Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your digital marketing skills with Udemy, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your digital marketing skills with Udemy, start by visiting the Udemy website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Log in to your account. Use the search bar to type in digital marketing. Browse through the available courses. Filter the results by ratings, reviews, and course length. Read the course descriptions to understand their content and objectives. Check the instructors' profiles to assess their expertise and experience. Look for courses that offer lifetime access and a satisfaction guarantee. Compare prices to find the best value for your budget. Select a course that aligns with your learning goals. Add the course to your cart and proceed to checkout. Complete your purchase using your preferred payment method. Once enrolled, navigate to your course dashboard. Start by watching the introductory videos provided. Take notes on key concepts and techniques presented. Engage with any quizzes or assignments to reinforce your learning. Join the course community or discussion forums if available. Ask questions and share insights with fellow students. Progress through the modules at your own pace. Apply what you learn through practical assignments or projects. Regularly review the material to strengthen your understanding. Once you've completed the course, download any supplementary resources. Consider leaving a review based on your experience with the course. Explore additional courses to expand your skills further. Stay updated with the latest digital marketing trends and practices. Implement new strategies in real-life scenarios to see the results. Continue learning and evolving your digital marketing knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.